when I got the phone call and they told me that my husband had a stroke, I couldn't believe it, When
a stroke code is called, the entire team descends on the angiography suite. So this includes technologists, nurses, stroke physicians, anesthetists, and everyone's working as quickly as possible in acceleration mode to try to get the patient on the table and into the procedure as quickly as possible.
I definitely remember Mr. Corneau when he came in about a year ago. His was a very severe stroke. I remember he was unable to move and unable to speak.
When Dr. Dalhousie asked me about the trial that he was going to go on, whether I wanted him to go through. And at that moment I thought, oh, what is it? And he explained it to me that it was a trial that they were doing for the hospital, and that the best thing for my husband was to have that blood clot removed from his brain as soon as possible.
The standard of care initially was to treat the blockage with clot-busting medications. We were testing a new device which we insert through the leg artery, we maneuver it up into the brain, and then we pluck out the clot, pulling it out of the brain.
Before we did this research, we really weren't sure if this is the best thing to do for stroke, and particularly severe strokes. A lot of us felt it was, but we have to prove it.
I put my hands and my faith in him, and everything was fine.
I'm just glad to be here, that's it. Yeah.
What we did here, and what was done at other institutions as part of this trial, has already made a massive difference across the world.
The words game changer, breakthrough have been used. It really is the most significant advance in stroke therapy that I've witnessed in my career as a physician, and it's very exciting for stroke patients. I think overall it gives them an excellent chance at a very, very good recovery, something that we didn't have to offer prior to this research. We now know that the therapy works, and this is now becoming the standard of care for patients with the biggest strokes and the largest clots.
The tender, loving research has really brought my husband back to life, and we're able to see our children, grandchildren, and I'm not alone.